Okay, this is a Logitech G502 LIGHTSPEED wireless mouse. You can get this most places in the world. I got this. I've bought a keyboard as well, a LIGHTSPEED keyboard, and this came with like a pack. It was secondhand, but this had been it was as new and open. So this is supposed to have a lag-free thing operation. So if you look at that, that's a nice mouse. Look at that. Look at that. It's light. Quality feels good. So many buttons. That's unreal. So what's in the box? Oh, there's a cable in here. So let's have a look. What is this? What is this? Ooh. That come off, whatever that was. Hope that's not important. Don't know what that is. So there's the little dongle. Oh, are these magnets or something? Oh, weights. Oh, the mouse weights. Oh, I see. So you can weight. So there must be somewhere you can put these in there. So this is your little dongle for your Wi-Fi. You attach it to a USB micro lead there. What else do you get in this? Oh, you get the lead too. Ideal. I was wondering then if I had a lead or not. It would have been better if they'd have given you maybe a USB extension, because this just adds to the 7 million other micro USB leads I've got. Quite a length on it, let's be fair. I'd say that's a good 2 meters length. So obviously that goes in your PC, that goes into that. Or I'm guessing if you're close enough to your PC with your mouse, you can actually take it out of that and just use this little gizmo here, this little gadget thing there. That's the actual thing. That's just the adapter, if you can see that. All right, here we are with the G502 LIGHTSPEED settings. You've got onboard memory mode off, and you can click that and it says store settings directly onto the device that could be used without connecting it to the G Hub, which is this. Got it. Okay, onboard settings there. Don't know what this does. Enable. It sets the DPI. I have found that with this at the moment, maybe it's because it's new for me, but it seems to go defaulting back to 400 DPI, which means it's like trying to get it across the screen is unreal. Okay, it's got the battery level is 99%. Power consumption is 6 milliwatt, I'm assumed. Report rate 8 milliwatt, lighting 6 milliwatt. Approximate charge time is 24 hours. So this will run 24 hours before it goes flat. Lighting on, always on. DP lighting always on. Device starts up effect. Low battery mode, breathing red. Auto. Onboard memory mode. Turn onboard memory mode to use profiles saved in the device memory. So if we turn it on, right, so that's okay. So details, cycle, left click, DPI, that's what, so it should be on that really, yeah. Shift DPI, report rate 1000, primary click. Okay. It's gone back to smaller now, the profile. So if we go back to here and go to settings, nope, maybe it's something else. On. Right, where's the enable? Whatever that brings it up again to that 3000, which comes across the screen. Okay. I don't know. It seems to be that it's defaulting to the 400 DPI, which is like a proper drag to get over there. So I'll get rid of that. So when you've got a keyboard, you'll have LIGHTSPEED there, then you'll have a keyboard, then you'll have, if you've got like headphones or something on there. And list view, and that's it. manage profiles. As desktop, you can have macros, the keys, integration into Overwolf, Streamlabs, Discord, OBS, etc. And that's it. Okay, there's the settings. Hopefully this might come in useful for somebody. It's a little complicated at first, but I think you have a play around like I'm going to do, and things will be fine. So that's not bad. All right. Okie dokie. Put on there, put that on there. We've got stickers, operational instructions, pretty much. I mean, would you want to put a sticker on your PC? I don't know. So that's your lot. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye.